So, an update on the KLX. Hopefully it's a good update. So last night a friend of mine, uh, offered a suggestion to me that maybe when washing the bike, all that water, maybe you got water in the gas tank. Maybe water got in somehow through the gas cap. And like, well, no duh, why didn't I think of that? And some folks in the San Antonio Dual Sport group also suggested the same thing on Facebook. And like, yeah. So today when I got home from work, I siphoned the gas tank out. I put new gas in it. And I already did start it once. And it started and it was running rough and idle at first. But, some of that gas at the very bottom of the tank and some in the fuel line too, or in the fuel pump possibly. But I let it run and it never stalled on idle. It idled rough for a little bit, but I let it idle for about 20 minutes and I was going to go hop on the bike and give it a test ride. My wife said it was time for dinner, so I just had dinner. And so now I'm going to give it a test run and we'll see if that was indeed the problem. And I'm such an idiot if that's all it was. Can't believe I didn't think of that. Because I knew it was acting like it had bad gas, but there was good gas. It was the same gas that I was running on Saturday. But yeah, I washed the bike and, so let's see. Okay, well that's not promising. Still could be some of that. Well, let's see what happens. It was idling, and it seemed like it was idling just fine after a while. When I came back out to shut it off, it was holding a steady idle. Well, let's see what happens when I try riding it. Well, it's definitely better than yesterday, but hey, on Monday, after I changed the airbox, it was like that too. It felt fine in the neighborhood. It wasn't until I got on the road. That didn't actually feel so great there when I just went on the throttle. Still seemed a little bit hesitant, but you can only get as much gas as you can get out of the tank. There's always going to be some remnants of the other bad gas, I suppose. But I'll maybe try to just use this up quick, what the gas that's in here, and then maybe put some ethanol free stuff, some better gas. Oh yeah, it's definitely better than it's been. We'll see what happens when I take it out on the main road. But yeah, okay, so good for the neighborhood. Good at neighborhood speeds. Okay. Alright, yeah, I'm starting to get some weird... Yeah, still right there between 6,000 and 7,000 RPM. Something's still not exactly right. It still could just be this. No, I need to run more of this gas out and put more new gas in it. Okay, if I give it full throttle, it's like not responding at all to it. Okay, kind of cut out right there. Yeah, it's kind of bogging back down. Yeah, because I have not let off the throttle. You can see the speed has gone down. Okay, yeah, I'm losing power. Something else, so I gotta get off this road. Dang it. Thought there for a bit that we had it sorted out. Maybe we're on our way. Maybe I just need to let it run. Maybe there's still just a little bit of the water in the... I got all that I could out with the siphon. It looked like there's just a tad little bit of gas on the bottom of the tank left. So maybe I should take the tank off and just dump it. But before I siphon the gas out and put the new gas in it, it wouldn't even idle at all. Today, I did, just want to see, because I wanted to get like a difference, like one right after another. Yeah, sir. Yeah, very inconsistent. Like you look. I'm holding the throttle consistently, but you can see the RPMs. They kind of, the power comes and then goes. It's lurching or whatever you want to say. Yeah. Dang it. Look at that. Yeah, pass me. Now I'm trying to go as fast as this thing will go. And it's not going over 49 right now. I'm trying to accelerate. It's just not. I could live with a dirty bike. I can't live with a bike that runs like this. So, man, will I ever wash my motorcycle again? I don't know. Man. That is 6th gear, full throttle, and nothing whatsoever. 5th gear, nothing anymore, no more. 4th gear. Now I'm just hoping I make it home. Come on, baby. I guess, oh no. Still got the little utility trailer hooked onto the back of the truck. Just throw this thing on the trailer. Tomorrow, take it to the dealership. Still under warranty. Let them handle it. So maybe in this video I'll put a link to the video from the last time I rode it on Saturday. And you'll see like it was running just fine. If you care to. Just to see. Maybe there was something going on Saturday and I just couldn't tell. Because all seemed all right to me. Then everything seemed fine until, see, I washed the bike on the way home, stopped at a guy's house, the guy I was riding with on Saturday. He's like, hey, don't spend your money at a